Topic for today is quality of population. The first challenge, priority, aim of every government, of every administration is to convert their population into a resource, then into a human resource. Converting a population into a resource and a human resource is really a tough task, because in the population you have, first thing is quantity. Dealing with quantity and converting into quality, that is the challenge. The challenge is not population resource and human resource. The challenge is to convert this quantity into quality. That is the challenge. So for this, the topic quality of population is there. And how can you enhance the quality of population? It is basically by 3 steps, that is education, health, then the skill formation. It could be interlinked. The first phase health, second education, third skill formation, or first education, then health, followed by skill formation. So first thing is families, your parents, your elders, your society, and at last country, they insist on education, good education. Why? So that the upcoming generation, they can use their skill. They should know the difference between right or wrong. You are educated, you developed your skill, you know the difference between right and wrong. Now the second phase is health. It means if you are fit and fine, then there is no problem. You can utilize your skills in a better way. Exceptions are there. I know there are exceptions. But if you develop your skills, if you are educated, but if you are not healthy, then you will be a burden. Might be, not in every case. So a healthy population is also very important, because this will lead to a quality of population. Third, skill formation. Now you are educated, you are healthy, but there are no jobs. You cannot utilize your skill. Then there is no use of education and health. So the third step is skill formation, that is the employment. Getting a good education, having a good health. Now the target or the aim is the employment. Why? So that revenue could be generated. At last you will be paying taxes, no one else. The purpose of this video is to know that population is an asset or liability, is dependent upon the administration, is dependent upon the government, is dependent upon the society. If we will consider these points, education, health and skill formation, then there is no doubt we will convert our population into a quality one. But if we will skip any of them, if we will skip education, or if we will skip health, or if we will skip the skill formation, then this quality will only be quantity, and in case it will be liability, not an asset. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.